Turn around.
Show me in your adorable oh, I love it. So cute. Woo! Here's a really fun, easy breakfast, and you just put your oats, raw oats, in the bowl, and then cover it with a little bit of water. Add a pinch of sea salt, and then you're just gonna take your spoon and mash. It creates an oat milk, and it also helps to break down the oats just a little bit. So the other day when I was out and about, I stopped at Green Fetish and I had the golden milk latte, and the next day I wanted it again, and I thought, well gosh, this has got to be pretty simple to make. So I whipped it up myself and it was delicious, and I used coconut milk, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, a little bit of coconut oil, and I used a little bit of honey for sweetness. And then I put that in I have a milk frother, so I went ahead and put it in my milk frother. Just makes it super easy. And voila, I had myself a nice golden milk latte. In fact, I'm getting ready to go home and to make it again. It's great for digestion, great for inflammation, a good blood purifier. Some people say it helps them to sleep good at night. Not me, it does the opposite. Kind of gives me a jolt of energy. But a lot of people use it last thing before they go to bed, and they say that it helps them sleep like a baby. So it's something that you can try. That really is good. If anyone is wondering, what is my channel about? Can it be a little bit confusing? Yes, probably, because it is about all things health, whether it's the mind or physical, emotional, mental, you know, all of those things, the mind, body, soul connection, all feed into what my platform is all about. To be able to feel your best, we have to address all of these areas. We have to address the mind, we have to address the soul, we have to address the physical aspect. And so I have recipes, education, interviews, all dealing with these situations. I just wanted to talk about it for a minute to help clear up some confusion. So if you want information about health, here I am. You know, every day brings a new interest, a new topic. As a side note, I want to tell you something coming up that I am super pumped about, something that I have poured my heart and soul into that has been in the making for over a year now, and that is my anxiety program. It is called the Biblical Approach to Overcoming Anxiety, and that is going to be available for purchase mid-January. First class is going to be February 5th. Once we launch it, there will be an early bird sign up. And for the first launch, I'm only accepting 6 clients. It is a 5-week program, and we will also meet once a week via Zoom to be able to connect. I can answer some questions and maybe help you through some areas where you might feel stumped. But this is something that I have personally overcome. And I have other people that are a part of this program giving some added amazing information. I'm so excited about this. So if this is something that you struggle with, or if this is something that you know that a friend or a loved one could benefit from, please share this information, and soon it will pop up on my website, and I will be advertising that on my Instagram and talking about it a little bit more on here. And I do want to say something about these chats in the car. It's because I am in the car a lot, so why not use the time wisely? I just wanted to kind of clarify that it's just a great use of time, in my opinion, because then when I get home, I can just get to doing what I'm doing, and then it helps with a little bit more explanation.